It's an instant world. And in your world, milliseconds matter. When challenges arise, like slow assembly, complex fasteners, and unreliable methods, you need to recalibrate. And Loctite is here to help. Introducing Loctite 402, the ultra-performance instant adhesive. Fast fixture speed, superior heat aging, substrate versatility. Loctite adhesives, cleaners, and automated solutions. Increasing productivity, improving reliability, and simplifying design. All in an instant.
A variety of assembly methods are available to design and manufacturing engineers, ranging from mechanical methods, such as fasteners, to tapes, welding, and adhesives. This video will demonstrate one of the key benefits of adhesives over traditional fasteners. Shown are 3 ABS lap shears. On the bottom, the 2 pieces of ABS are joined with 1 stainless steel bolt. On the top, the 2 pieces of ABS have been joined using a Loctite Instant Adhesive cured for 24 hours at room temperature. As a shear load is put on this assembly, you will see that on the top, the adhesive stresses out evenly and causes less flexing of the joint. On the bottom, the bolt concentrates the stress, and so you can see a great deal of flexing and eventually failure of the ABS. This is how adhesives offer the unique benefit of even stress distribution over traditional fasteners, which translates to better aesthetics, reduced weight and complexity, and improved reliability.